In this tutorial, you'll learn how to call Flow Overview, how call routing works in SalesCaptain in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. Head over to the Call Flows page under Captain Labs to see all your call flows in one place. Click on a call flow to open it up, and you'll see the Visual Flow Builder where your entire conversation tree is laid out as a diagram. These are your flow controls. They let you filter and configure the structure of your call flow using things like time rules or conditional filters. Action elements are the commands that actually execute within your flow, like sending an SMS or assigning the call to a specific user. Here's a real example of what you can build. This flow takes an incoming call, runs it through a profile time rule, and splits into two branches. During business hours, it checks if the conversation is spam and either terminates or assigns it to your team. And after hours, it hands the caller off to an AI agent, plays an audio message, then assigns them out. The profile time rule is what creates that split. It checks whether the call is coming in during business hours or after hours, and you can set those hours in your settings under Business Profile. This if-else filter checks whether the conversation is marked as spam. If it is, the flow terminates, and if it isn't, the caller continues through to your team. The AI agent acts as your around-the-clock receptionist, trained on your company's own data so it can have natural conversations with callers. You can create and configure your AI agents from the AI Agent tab in the left sidebar. You can also play custom audio messages to your callers. This one lets them know your working hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. To build your own flow, just drag and drop elements onto the canvas. Click on any element to configure it, and once everything looks good, hit Save. Then head back to the Call Flows overview, where you can see your new active flow and pause it anytime you need to. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.